Hello everyone. This is the continuation of the same topic of Standard 10th History, Chapter 5 Mass Media and History. We are going to study about Bengal Gazette. The first English newspaper of India was printed on 29th January 1780. It was named as Calcutta General Advertiser or Bengal Gazette. It was started by James Augustus Hickey, an Irish gentleman. Here is about Darpan. The newspaper Darpan was started in 1832 in Mumbai. Balshasi Zambekar was the editor of Darpan. The news printed in Darpan can be reviewed to know about the political, economic, social, and cultural events of those times. Here are a few news titles as examples. Number 1. The accounts of expenditure from the three administrative divisions of the East India Company. Second is the danger of Russian attack on the nation. Third is appointment of a committee for cleanliness of the city. Fourth one is remarriage of Hindu widows. Fifth one is the inception of theatre at Calcutta. Sixth one is achievements of Rajaram Mohan Roy in England. Reporting of such news throws light on various historical events of those days. Now next is Prabhakar. This newspaper was started by Bhau Mahajan. The history of French Revolution and Shatpatre, the letters by Lokhit Wadi, Gopal Hari Deshmukh, aimed at creating social awareness, were published in this newspaper. Next is Nanoday. Nanoday printed the map of Asia in 1842 and the map of Europe in 1851. The honor of printing an illustration in an Indian newspaper for the first time goes to Nanoday. The news of installation of telegraph used for electrically transmitting a news can be seen in Nanoday. The news of the starting of railways in India was printed in Nanoday under the title Chakya Mashoba, meaning Mashoba with wheels. It had also printed the news of the Indian War of Independence of 1857. Newspapers in those times were a very important medium of creating social awareness. A newspaper named Indu Prakash supported widow remarriage in a big way. Deen Bandhu, a newspaper representing the masses of the Indian society, Bahujan Samaj, was started by Mahatma Jyotirao Phule's close associate Krishna Rao Bhalekar. We get to know about the issues relating to the masses through this newspaper. We move on to Kesari and Maratha. Kesari and Maratha, the two newspapers, are indicative of an important stage in the history of Indian newspapers before independence. Gopal Ganesh Agarkar and Bal Gangadhar Tilak started these papers in 1881. They spoke about the social and political issues of that period. Kesari began to publish articles about the nationwide situations, books in the native languages, and the politics in England. In the 21st century, newspapers have continued to fulfill an important role. It was acknowledged the fourth column of democracy.